In this video, you'll learn how to use the call park and call pickup features in the TeleCloud Mobile PRO app for Android. First, we'll walk through how to park a call for another team member. Then, we'll cover how to retrieve a parked call. Let's start by parking a call. When an incoming call appears on your screen, click back to call in the banner. Then select Answer as you normally would. After answering, you'll see the standard call control options. To park the call, return to the app's home screen by pressing the Home button or the Back button in the top right corner of your phone. From the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then, select Call Park. Here, you'll see a list of available parking spots. Simply tap the spot where you want to place the call. For example, I will hit Park 2. The call is now parked, and the app will display the parked call information. Here you are seeing my own phone details since this is a test display, but in a real call you'll see the caller's phone number or contact name. At this point, simply let your colleague know which parking spot the call is on, and they can then retrieve it from their own app. Next, I'll show you how to retrieve a parked call. If someone lets you know a call has been parked, or if you want to check for yourself, return to the Call Park window in the same way as before. From the app's home screen, tap the menu icon and select Call Park. You'll see the current status of each parking spot. Any active parked call will be highlighted, showing the caller's phone number or contact information. Tap the active parking spot, in this case, Park 3, to retrieve the call. The call will connect immediately, displaying the caller's details and all the normal call controls. Once you finish the conversation, simply end the call as usual. That's how you park and retrieve calls using the TeleCloud Mobile PRO app on Android.